Hello guys, welcome to Selenium training and my name is Murli. This video is about Selenium IDE and let's see today how we can install Selenium IDE and how we can do some actions with the user actions with the IDE with the browser, etc. So first, to install Selenium IDE, as a first step we need a Firefox browser. And about IDE, Selenium IDE is an add-on to the Firefox browser, or you can say plugin to the Firefox browser. Selenium IDE is one of the components from Selenium. Selenium IDE will be used for mainly to do a simple record and playback the user actions with the browser. And Selenium IDE mainly used to create some bug reproduction scripts in a quick way. And there is other uses as well with the IDE. So we'll go see all the features. Right, so first to install IDE, we need a Firefox browser. Make sure you have already installed the Firefox browser in your system. This is the latest Firefox 30 and a little bit small interface has changed in this 30. You have right side top right you have menu. So in the menu you have some options and developer tools, etc. If you once install the IDE in this Firefox browser, it will be in the top right like this, an icon. Can you see Selenium IDE here? Right, so how to install Selenium IDE? So as first step, go to google.co.uk or google.com, type here Selenium download and you will get a link of downloads to Selenium website. And seleniumhq.org, this is the official website of the Selenium, and in this website you have all the latest downloads, previous releases and some Maven information, and you have documentation of Selenium IDE, WebDriver, and formerly you call as a RC, and Selenium grid setup and some user extensions for the IDE scripts, and you have lot of releases and old versions and discussions with couple of languages. Also you have for support, contact this. You have some user groups as well. Right, so to install IDE, click on download, and here in the downloads you can see heading Selenium IDE. Under Selenium IDE you have the download latest released version 2.5.0. This is a link and this is the latest version of IDE, and I repeat, my Firefox version is 30. Right, so Selenium IDE is a Firefox plugin which records and playback user interactions with the browser. Right, so now click the latest released version 2.5.0 and you can see a small pop-up at the left hand side. Basically Firefox is trying to install IDE to this browser, so it's asking you a permission. Click allow, and next you are getting a window like to install some formatters. Here we will see later what is this formatters, and time being click here install now. And to take effect the IDE to the Firefox browser, click on restart now. Okay, right, so now you can see the icon here, Selenium IDE. Click that icon. So this is the Selenium IDE and it's a like record and play tool. Suppose if you know any QTP, in QTP also you have record and play options. The same like Selenium IDE also, it records user actions with the browser and you can play the user actions again and again. Basically, the Selenium IDE will be used for some quick exploratory testing. Right, so if you put mouse over there, this red button at the top right, you can see now recording. Click to stop recording. So I want to record. Let's keep open this window, don't close this. And now in the browser type www.winsystech.com and click on some this top menu links and just open this IDE window. You can see here it's recorded some scripts with the commands and target, etc. So click on here to stop the recording. Right, so now what you did, you installed the IDE and you opened the IDE and you opened a Firefox browser and you started recording the script on the browser. So now if you want to replay the script, so you have some slider here, that is fast and slow mode. So let's keep at middle, and here you have two buttons, and this button where you can see a small single icon that will play the current test case, and where you can see the three icons beside, so this will play the entire test suite, means you have a couple of test cases. Right, so I want to, here I have only now one test case and I recorded only one script, and I want to run this. See, it's clicking all the links one by one, and you can do any number of times like this. So record a script once and you can repeat it any number of times. See, it's the clicking the link one by one, and you can see the log files as well, which executed with the command name and what it has done. Okay, so this is how you can simply record a script in IDE, and if you want you can save as a test case file, save test case, and save as some name. Yeah, so at moment I don't want to save this, so I want to exit from the IDE, file, and close. So it's asking, do you want to save the test case? I don't want to save. So right, so this is the simple step of installing IDE with a Firefox browser. So if you open next time Firefox browser, this is the Firefox browser, simply click to open the IDE window. So by default it's in recording mode. That means whatever you do actions, it will record automatically. So for example, I'm typing gmail.com and I'm clicking the link called sign in, and in the sign in I want to enter my name Murali at gmail.com, and I want to enter some password. I want to enter into sign in, and let's see the script here. See, it's recorded some script about the Gmail login, and I can stop the record here and I will play the record again. See, it will go, it will open Gmail and it's entered so quick because it's in very fast mode. Right, so this is the simple record and play feature of an IDE. With IDE you have many features as well, we will see later one by one. And one more thing I would like to tell you, so IDE will be installed for only Firefox browser, so don't try to install into either Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or any other browsers, because this IDE is a plugin for Firefox only. So where you can see all the plugins, this is Firefox 30. So at the top right you have open menu, click that. Here you have a option called add-ons, click that. and here at the top right you have some search engine. Here type for Selenium IDE and search, and here you can see all available add-ons for this Firefox browser. I have already installed IDE, so that's the reason I don't have an Selenium IDE button here. And this is another way of installing the IDE into the Firefox. So you can go to menu, and under menu you can go for add-ons and type Selenium IDE, search for IDE and install the button. So it will be installed, and it will be stored at the top right. Right, so this is about how to install an IDE to a Firefox browser. Okay, so it will be installed for only Firefox browser, and you can record only the actions where you can record the script and you can run the script in the Firefox browser at moment. Okay, right. Thanks for watching the video.